Here's an update on the bite from northern Wisconsin. Now the weather has stabilized quite a bit, we're starting to warm up, and the fish are responding nicely. It looks like we're going to be off to a good start to the month of June. If you're out looking for bass, either largemouth or smallmouth, you're going to be looking in shallow water, say 10 feet or less. Now the largemouth are concentrated around weedy growth, while the smallmouth are primarily bedded up along sandy shorelines, especially if there's some wood present. That shallow wood is also a good place to look for your first muskie of the year. Now our season just opened up over the weekend and we haven't chased muskies at all yet, but we sure did see a lot of them in down trees and brush piles in say 5 feet of water or even less. On the panfish front, the crappies are right in the middle of their spawn. There are many aggressive males in shallow water and a lot of pre-spawn females still hanging out in a little bit deeper water. There are lots of bluegills heading into the shallows, and there's an awfully nice perch bite on many area lakes that you can tap into by pulling jigs across shallow flats. There's a pretty strong walleye bite going on many of the clear lakes up north, and you can tap into that bite by casting crankbaits in shallow water at dusk and after dark. On the more stained lakes, we've been getting a bunch of walleyes right in the middle of the day by slip-bobbering over shallow structure with leeches. So June is here and the bite is pretty strong up here in northern Wisconsin. So hitch up your boat and enjoy your time on the lake.